What up guys, and welcome back to Apple Factor, and today we're gonna be seeing that how you can remove action block on Instagram. So let's begin with the video itself. So before we start the video, make sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button. So here's the thing, if you're using an Instagram and you are getting this kind of a pop-up while doing any text or anything, like it's being saying that action block, the action was blocked, try again later, we restricted certain content and action to protest our community and blah blah blah, and you have to just click OK, and then it states that it could not create any thread. For that you have to just a simple process. So the first step is you have to just go to this three dots, then you have to just go to the settings. Once you are in the settings, you have to just go and log out your account. Just log out your account. Once the login has been done, just click on the edit button and just click remove your account. Once you are done, then just come back to the home screen, then just click on the Instagram and just delete the app. So the next step, you have to just go to the App Store and install a VPN. So I'll suggest to download the Betternet and just open the VPN. So once you are here, you have to just click connect. It will start connecting to the VPN. Not now. Once the VPN has been connected, you will be seeing a blue circle over here. Then just come back and go to the App Store and search for the Instagram. Once the Instagram comes, just hit download and wait for the download. It might take some time because you are connected to the VPN, so be patient. So once the Instagram has been installed and you make sure your VPN is still on, just go back and open your Instagram and just log in with your Instagram. So once you are logged in the Instagram account, then you can go and check that you can create a new message, and you can see that you can create new threads as well. That I can see a new message to a person and it won't say an action. You can like photos, you can comment, and you can do whatever you want on Instagram, and there'll be the no action block in your Instagram. That much for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button. So please like and subscribe. Peace.